ahead and start with a clean canvas by putting concealer all over her lid and making sure that you set out where you want your eyebrows to start and finish. And I'm going to go ahead and set the concealer with some translucent powder just so that it doesn't move around when I start with the shadow. On her crease, we're going to apply this color right on her crease, and we're going to basically use the wiper motion, and we're going to do that towards her brow. That's going to be the transition color. Take your time. You can do rotation motion, wiper motion, whatever you feel comfortable with. The point is to make sure that your transition color is smoothly blended from bottom to top. This color is going to be directly on her crease, and I will also bring it down to just a tad bit towards her lid and a tad bit towards her brow. That way the transition color and this color blend smoothly, and this is the color that's going to pop right out. On the outer corner of her eye, I'm going to place this dark chocolate brown. Again, every color will be in the description down below, and just keeping it on that area, the outer corner of her eye, I'm going to pack it on for as harsh as I want it to look, and that's what I'm going to blend. So pack it all on first, and with a clean brush you blend it out. Make sure you use a clean brush or else you'll just be adding color on top of color. Keep it on the outer corner of your eye. That's what's going to make the cat eye sort of look for this cut crease. I'll be using concealer to do the cut crease, and I will have her look up so that way I can see where her crease will mark her lid. Once I'm done with how I want the cut crease to look and where I want it to start and finish, I will add a little bit of a yellow tone shade just so that I can lock in the concealer and it doesn't move around. We chose a bronzy glitter color to do the transition between the cut crease and the outer corner of her eye. This was really pretty actually. Like, you can use this nighttime or daytime in my opinion. It's not so much of a harsh cut crease with different colors, so you can use it at any type of event. This is why I don't like to do my foundation first, because when I have fallout, I don't want to have to worry about that. I just sweep it right off and go from there. But that's what the color should look like. I think it looks very pretty. We're gonna go ahead and start with her brows and then her foundation, and I'm not gonna film that because it was just gonna be such a long video, but maybe I can do a video about that later. Once I did her brows and her foundation, I also went ahead and put a little bit of that brown color on the bottom waterline. Now mind you, this is my little sister, okay? She's not used to wearing a lot of makeup, actually makeup at all, so she was struggling, poor thing. That's what the finished look looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was a quick video I did, so it wasn't a step-by-step. So if you guys want something like that, let me know. Bye!